In this lesson, we'll review the captioning features of YouTube, including the capabilities and limitations of YouTube's automatic captioning, its more reliable synchronization features, and manual captioning interface. We'll look first at YouTube's automatic captioning. If you've spent any time looking at YouTube's videos with captioning turned on, you've probably come across noticeably inaccurate captions. By default, any video uploaded to YouTube will be automatically captioned. I've noticed with my own and other videos that the automatic captions are occasionally fairly accurate. This is influenced by the quality of the audio and the number and clarity of the speakers. Most YouTube videos with automatic captions are, however, inaccurate and unusable by anyone who relies on captions to understand the audio content. For the most humorous demonstration I've seen of this issue, view this YouTube video. The URL should now be on the screen. Note that reading comprehension drops dramatically when the transcription is less than 97% accurate. Let's look at the automatic captions for a video that I posted to YouTube with automatic captions set on. This is the video from last week's lesson on alt text for images and tables. You can view this video directly at the URL presented on the screen and below this video. We'll then show the process for providing descriptions for tables and other procedures for making tables more usable and accessible. Note that the procedures for performing these same functions in PowerPoint and Excel is almost the same. After watching this video, you should be able to use the tools and procedures described in this lesson in any of these three Office products. To start the process of adding alt text, we could manually scan our sample document for images and tables. Although some segments are surprisingly accurate, the overall accuracy seems to be about 80%, which is what YouTube claims as the accuracy for its automatic captions. Furthermore, even for the segments that are accurate, capitalization, periods, and other punctuation is missing. In addition, the grouping and separation of phrases does not follow best practices, adding another obstacle to reading comprehension. We'll review the process for editing YouTube's automatic captions later in the next lesson. First, I want to look at a very useful YouTube feature, automatic syncing of transcripts. If you have an accurate transcript, you can upload it to YouTube to have the captions synced automatically with the audio. For anyone who creates scripts for their course videos or is able to obtain an accurate transcript, this can be particularly helpful. I'll demonstrate this process for the video we just viewed. The first step is to save the transcript without formatting. To do this, I'll copy the transcript for the video we just viewed into Notepad. You can also use WordPad or use TextEdit on the Mac. And save the file in a .txt format. Saving the file in a Word or other application format would place format characters into the transcript which would appear as non-intelligible characters. It is also important that character encoding be set to UTF-8. Next, I'll find the video in YouTube under My Channel and then Video Manager. I select Edit and then Subtitles and Close Captioning. Notice that there is already an automatic English closed captioning file listed. These are the captions we viewed earlier. I'll select Add New Subtitles or CC, select English for Language, and upload the .txt file I just saved. Select Transcript, choose File, and then upload. Notice that the transcript we uploaded is displayed to the right of the video. Select or click on Set Timings to have YouTube set the timings for your uploaded transcript. It may take a few minutes for YouTube to automatically sync your captions. If you select or click on your caption file and receive the message, Subtitle timings are being set, check back soon, wait a bit and then refresh the page. Playing the video, we can see that YouTube has done an excellent job of syncing the transcript with the audio content and presenting the captions in appropriate lengths, breaking content according to best practices. In this video, we'll briefly review the process for entering alt text in Word. We'll then show the process for providing descriptions for tables and other procedures for making tables more usable and accessible. Note that the procedures for performing these corrections to the captions can be made at any time by clicking within the caption area on the right. In this case, we are adding an S onto procedure. Note that the video player stops when we click on or move to the caption area. We could adjust the timing of the captions by dragging the start or end point of the caption or by directly editing the timecode shown next to the captions on the right side. Even for this short video, performing the syncing process through YouTube has saved us at least a couple of hours of time, if not more. Mirroring the features of Amara, we can download this caption file and upload it into other platforms such as Kaltura. We can also grab an embed code to place a link to this video in our learning management system or on another web page. Before moving on to the next video, let's look at YouTube's interactive transcript feature. If we select the More option below the video player and select Transcript, YouTube will open up an interactive transcript similar to the one seen on the Harvard and MIT sites shown in an earlier video. As the audio progresses, the highlight follows the currently spoken text. If we click on any of the lines in the transcript, the player will move to that point on the timeline. Process for entering all text in Word. We'll then show the process for providing descriptions for tables and other procedures for making tables more images and tables. However, we'll take this opportunity to demonstrate the built-in accessibility and other procedures for making tables more usable and accessible. Look in the resource section of this module for other tools and resources for creating interactive transcripts on other platforms. In the next video, we'll look at editing YouTube captions.